How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how many push-ups for a good chest workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So the amount of push-ups for a good chest workout is going to be whatever you guys can do to almost failure. I never recommend going 100% to failure. I always recommend a couple of reps before that. The reason being is if you push yourself all out to the max, you put yourself at a very, very high risk of injury. So for an extra rep or two to have your chances increase substantially is just not worth it in my opinion. I've always trained like that for the last 12 years. I've never pushed myself to absolute failure unless I was doing a powerlifting meet. So with that being said, the amount of push-ups that you want to do, again, is what you're capable of doing. Some people are only going to be able to do, say, 50 push-ups total for their whole workout, while other people, you might be able to get 150 push-ups. Now, what I would do is, let's say you can do 40 push-ups in a row. What I would do is I would do sets of 10. So I would do 10 sets, take a minute rest, 10 reps, take a minute rest, 10 reps, take a minute break. And just keep doing that for as long as you can. Usually after about 10 sets, you're probably going to be getting quite fatigued. Once you can't get 10 reps in a row, that's kind of when I would stop for the day and just see how many reps you can accumulate. Now, the big thing here is not really the first workout. The first workout is going to kind of gauge where you're at for strength, for muscle, and all that. Your next consecutive workouts is what's going to determine how you grow your chest. So what a lot of people will do is they'll follow trends on the internet, like 100 push-up for 30 days or 200 push-ups for 30 days. That really doesn't work very good, just for the simple fact that your body will adapt within a workout or two. So if you do it every single day for 30 days, you're not accomplishing anything. You need to add push-ups every single time you work out. You don't have to go from doing 50 push-ups in a row to 52 push-ups in a row, because that's not sustainable. But let's say you do 30 reps. Let's say you do a set of 30 reps, a set of 30 reps, a set of 30 reps, and then you do a set of 20 reps. And then your next workout, you do 30, 30, 30, but your last workout, you do 21 or 22. So if you added 2 push-ups total throughout your whole entire sets, that's fine. You don't have to add 2 push-ups across all 4 sets or all 5 sets or all sets or all 10 sets. Just one push-up or one push-up or 2 push-ups for 1 set. That's all you have to add. That's progressive overload. You're going to see really, really good gains. So that's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching.